Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey mustard without mayo. First, combine 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard with 1 tablespoon of honey in a small bowl. Next, add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to the mixture. Whisk these ingredients together until they are well combined and smooth. This forms the base of your delicious, creamy and mayo-free honey mustard sauce. To enhance the texture and flavor, slowly drizzle in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil while continuously whisking. This emulsifies the sauce, giving it a richer mouthfeel without using mayo. For a beautiful golden hue and a hint of warmth, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Taste and adjust the honey or vinegar as needed to achieve your desired balance. Don't be afraid to customize your honey mustard. Try using a different mustard, such as spicy brown or whole grain, for a unique flavor profile. For a little kick, add a small pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of hot sauce. Freshly minced garlic or a squeeze of lemon juice can also brighten the sauce. Make it truly your own. Once prepared, transfer your delicious mayo-free honey mustard to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 5 to 7 days. This versatile sauce is perfect as a dipping sauce for chicken tenders or pretzels. It also makes a fantastic dressing for salads or a flavorful spread for sandwiches and wraps. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.